To become an entrepreneur is one of my greatest dream, and by coming here in the conference, literally I got millions of ideas. I can visualize in next 5 years what I should do something.
I met wonderful people, so they were like, we created a very good team. The safe space that we created and the team that we built, it was like kind of best thing about the 3 days. Just wish they were more than 3 days.
I saw the feedback was really nice, so yeah, we won the pitch, so it was, I am really happy about that. But yeah, they have pointed out some of the mistakes that we need to focus on, or some areas we really need to focus when we are, if we are able to start going for a startup.
La rencontre avec les étudiants, c'était assez motivant, assez enrichissant de les voir pitcher aussi sur leur projet de start-up, d'échanger avec eux sur leur carrière, etc. Pour les entreprises qui veulent recruter, qui aussi se plongent dans l'idée de pour recruter, il faut aussi transmettre un message. Cette bonne interaction qui est profitable pour nous, de voir des jeunes et pour les jeunes de nous rencontrer, d'échanger avec nous, qu'on puisse partager l'expérience aussi avec eux.
I'm growing.
Fantastic.
Research together.
Enrichissant.